He doesn't want us to investigate corruption cases from Telkom. He never wants us to get into state capture. He does not want this government to get into extrajudicial killings. That is why him and Raila Odinga imagine that they can blackmail government to stop government from operating. And that's why, Your Excellency, I want to encourage you and the President, do not fear. The people of Kenya are solidly behind you to make sure that you restore our country to be a country where every Kenyan lives with dignity and every Kenyan feels safe in their country. Ya mwisho, mukiona Uhuru Kenyatta, mumwambie mimi simuogopi, aache kuchoka akinitumia Mungiki. Alikuwa na polisi na jeshi, hatukumuogopa, hatutakuogopa sababu ya Mungiki. Uhuru Kenyatta, hatutakuogopa because you have recruited Raila Odinga to help you with violence to try and blackmail government. Sorry Bishop, remonethi agahio kero no nderio muhonoku kanitha-ini wa BVA member number 39 district ya Kambura. Tondu ngukite ni undu waku Bishop, sorry muno ni gukiria na ni ngukiruta ona nie ndaigua ni cia guthie Dubai. Na Bishop tukuhoere Ngai atwira uria ukoretwo ukiruta kanitha uyu ni uguthie na mbere